All right, so we are now on a ride up to the first part of Deca development. It's all the way up on the hill, and we're gonna go up and take a tour around there, and show you all a little bit about what's going on up there. Ian had some ideas, or said that it's almost like the forgotten city. There is not a whole lot of activities up there. However, there is a lot of people living up there. So let's come on for a ride, and we get up there here in a few minutes.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore.
This is the starting point of what I refer with.
But they put up this wall. I put up recently, right?
This is all going, yeah.
Because we were here.
Yep.
Like I said, 6 months ago, and I could stand here. This is as far as we went, I think. Maybe we went up one more block, but we didn't go in.
Yeah.
We just turned around the same road and came down. Because last time we were here, you could see the Clark, all the construction and building. Now you see the cranes, over there, but that's the only thing we can see. But it's pretty views here, though. Look. What's that up there? Is that?
I reckon that's where the Clark call centres that deal strictly with the Korean marketplace, and I think you find that's where the Koreans are all housed.
Oh, up on that hill over there.
Yeah, that's the story I get.
Right.
Basically, that's a bit of a hill to climb up there, and there's a lot of Koreans.
There's got to be a road up there, though.
There is a road there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see it from the big Clark call centre areas.
Right.
And I think that's housing for the Koreans
Right.
that work in the call centres and the big factories.
Right.
Down in Clark. Yeah.
There's a lot of people working in the call centers for sure.
It's a huge industry, and the thing is, that's a story, and that's really a big story in itself.
Right.
If you understand how the first world countries treat the people here in the call centres
Right.
like utter garbage, you'd be disgusted.
Yeah.
And I actually hear the stories from not just my own family, but also from their friends and also the locals that used to work in call centres.
Right.
And basically, if the first world countries actually knew what was going on, they would hang their head in shame, because they actually do treat the people really badly here.
Yeah.
Over there, you can see the steelworks above this house there. We went past it really slowly because I'm frightened that the second floor will fall over.
Right.
Let alone worrying about a third floor.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't.
Really bad, yeah.
So that's apartments also. They're building there.
I don't know what's going on there. To me, it just looks terribly unsafe.
Right.
And I'm not sure what happened to these buildings here. It looks like almost like a fire went through it, doesn't it? But I've
Yeah.
no idea.
Yeah. It looks like something happened down there.
But it's
Or it's just an addition that was never
never
completed.
put up, yeah.
Yeah.
But,
So.
but it almost feels like this is phase one, and it was the very first phase that was built.
Right.
And I come up here and it's like, what happened?
Right.
Something didn't work out, or was this so experimental, or was it lack of money, or was it this? Don't know. But it's like an invisible. Yet when I do come up here in the evening, when everyone's home, it's full of people.
Right. Oh, I'm
And
sure.
that top roundabout that you referred to,
Yeah.
you struggle to drive around through that because it's full of bikes.
Right.
Full of bikes.
Yeah.
People go through.
Yeah.
But again, there are people that are actually having a go at doing their best with their properties and things
Right.
like that.
But it looks like some of the properties never got painted. If you look up here, they never got painted on the outside. And
Yeah, these cracks you see, a lot of them are from the earthquake. I mean, in phase two, it's that the whole street on one side is just busted,
Right.
and they're still repairing that.
Yeah.
But you can see the quality of the panels I put up. Not
Oh,
very,
yeah. Yeah.
scary stuff.
Yeah.
You know, and then you cop an earthquake. And,
Yeah, so that's the panels they're putting out there, right? Yeah, that's Mountain Riot.
Fabulous view.
You see this, huh? Get the view from down there. You see it?
Yeah.
Mountain Riot?
Mount Orion.
It's funny. Almost from every angle you come into Angeles, you see Mountain
see
Riot
that.
in the
Yeah,
background.
absolutely.
Mountain View when you go up towards Marquee.
That's it.
You see you see that?
It's a big chunk of rock.
Yeah, it's 1,000 meter.
Yeah, on top of what we're already on.
Yeah, on top of where we're already on. So it's 1,000 meter.
Yeah.
About
So you
sea
got that
level.
mountain there, and then you got the one behind it over here.
Right.
Then you got the one over there, and so
Pinatuba is here
that's
somewhere.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you got the one over here,
Right.
which you hardly see because covered and stuff. And those three tied together really do affect the weather pattern here in Angeles.
Oh, I bet.
You know, I can tell by the clouds today that we're going to get rain at around 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Right.
Build up. It's pretty much like you can tell the clock.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it building up.
Yeah, yeah. This is phase one. I call it the forgotten phase. There's phase one, phase two, and then where we had coffee is the opposite side of phase 11.
Right.
Now, if you travel through this particular area, they really have nothing. Not like where we were earlier on, where the shops and this and that.
Right.
Now, this is where opportunity is.
Right.
See, Filipinos won't see the opportunities because of lack of money and a lack of
Right.
taking a risk. Where I'm looking at this going, there's nothing servicing these people.
No. I barely even saw it. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a sari store there.
Yeah.
That's about...
Nothing serious. There's nothing serious of quality that's serving
Right.
people. There's the water supply. It's one here, but it's a little Mickey Mouse one, not
Right.
the one we looked at. A good grocery store, a good, where they can buy safe food and this and that. There's opportunity.
Yeah.
Hence why myself and a few others are looking into tapping into the opportunity.
Yeah.
It's what's the old saying? You buy the worst house in the best street.
Right.
Well, in this case, you put your business into the
Yeah.
worst
Well,
business.
you can lift this community. I believe it's some investments. You can lift it up,
Yep.
and it's kind of what you said before. You make them proud of where they live.
Yep.
Right. Because the way I look at it, if you look out here with all the garbage, right?
Yep.
They wouldn't do that to their own
You won't find that in their own
family
house.
room.
That's right.
They wouldn't do it in their own family room.
That's
right?
right.
But if you train them that this is part of your
Yeah.
Pride.
Your backyard.
joy, pride. It's part of their pride and joy. Then I think you can lift it. You know.
And that's all that's baby steps.
Right.
It's not going to happen overnight. But the thing is, I've started to see it happen now because of the investment that's going on down in the bottom part of Deca.
Right.
And that will just continue to motivate others to invest money and time and energy into what's going on. So
Right.
there's a great opportunity here. Is it a quick one? No.
No.
Is it going to take a lot of work? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But that's the way it is.
Well, nothing comes easy and nothing comes free.
Absolutely. But,
All right.
But we'll
Okay.
continue down the hill here, and they would take through the back way there, and we've pretty much done a full tour of the main street of
Main Street of Deca.
Deca, yeah.
Yeah.
And
All
where
right.
we're at.
Okay.
Probably the best place where you'll get an uninterrupted shot of the mountain, the city, and the jungle.
Right.
That's This probably where you'll get your best without telephone lines and power poles.
Right. Yeah. I got to say that the views here are. So is that downtown Angeles? No, that's actually Walker Street where you have the cranes there, right? All right, guys, we are going to try to wrap this one up, and thank you even for
That,
Ivan. Did I say that?
Ian,
Ivan.
Ian,
Ian.
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 but it's a pleasure having you in, and all I know is that you got a heap of work to do cutting this.
Oh yeah, I got some cutting to do today and tomorrow. So we'll see what come out of it. If we have all the pieces to the puzzle, we should be okay to go. All right.
Well, you need to get home and beat the rain, mate. You only got
Yeah,
about an hour.
it is going to rain. Yeah, for sure.
And I say
All right. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.